Nasaan napunta yung all the lectures about muscle memory, about practicing the wrong thing? It's that simple. And I can't, hindi ko pwedeng i-sugarcoat yun. Hindi ko pwedeng patamisin sa inyo yun. Kasi ganun ang katotohanan. Every time kayo masisiste ng judges, o babarilin ko yung about your notes, you get so depressed. You get so depressed about yung mga napapansin nila. But actually, you're not doing the homework naman kasi talaga eh. Sa totoo lang, you're not. Because it requires 30 minutes a day of, at least 30 minutes a day of practicing your notes. Sino sa inyo ang nakikinig talaga kina Teacher Lindy sa amin, sa sa mga pinupukpok sa mga utak nyo about notes? Ilang beses na namin pinaalala sa inyo na every syllable of your song, every word, every syllable of the words sa lyrics, ng lyrics nyo, dapat alam niyo yung nota. May isa sa inyo magsasabi na hindi nyo pa naririnig yon. Magtaas ng kamay. Magtaas ng kamay yung magsasabi sa akin na hindi pa naririnig yung importance ng bawat syllable, may notang naka-attribute doon. Wala. Sino sa inyo ang nag-ensayo ng melody ng kanta ninyo as how we would teach you? That you would sing it slowly? Sino sa inyo? Sino? Wala. Wala. Ni isa sa inyo, wala. Pero come Saturday night, sino ang laging napupure for their musicality? Who are getting the high grades by shits just because mataas yung musicality nila, hindi sila nasisintonado, bihirang-bihirang magmasintonado, at sapul lahat ng nota. Sino? Si Bugoy lang, at saka si Chris, si Zell, at sila Arnie. Everybody else, flatitay, sharpitay, sintonado, sintonada. Ganun. Yun ang katotohanan dun. Yun ang katotohanan nun. Anyway, sorry, Teacher Lindy, no, Teacher Anna, pero
but it's true. It's true.
It's true eh, kasi Teacher Anna, Teacher Lindy, they all sing backup vocals, they voice coach. Alam nila eh, there are no guest notes. Wala. Ano ba akala nyo sa pagkakanta nyo?
It's our instrument. Sa College of Music, pag nandun ka, maraming yung winds, lahat, practice lang ng practice. Kahit, basta walang klase, yun yung tunog dun eh, pag dumaan ka sa College of Music. Mga
everybody's playing.
Lahat, wala namang room kahit sa ang sulok. Halo-halo. Eh tayo, we're lucky to be here and we're provided with, everything that you need. Kaya yun yung actually comment talaga na sana imbis na nagdadadalan sila, practice na lang sila.
Endless. Ganun.
Kasi yung pagdating nyo sa ganito, dapat tweak na lang eh. Nagtitweak na lang ng nuances. And we know you can do it.
Yeah. Yun ang malungkot.
We know you can.
If only the time you spent in the gym was spent on scales. Pero hindi, take it for granted. Ikala nyo yung scales elementary. Hindi, kaya elementary ang singing nyo kasi nga yung scales nyo hindi nyo nililinis. But even then, you don't need a college of music to know your scales. You don't